Hello, so to change the BMW F Series battery, you would need a flathead screwdriver and a working battery. So to get started, you just press here and then you can pull the physical key. Then you use your flathead screwdriver, and here you will see there is a pin on this side. You put the flathead screwdriver and then you push slowly, and then this will pop. This gives you access to the battery. It's a 2450, so the same one as this. Usually you should use something plasticky to pull this, but I would just be careful and pull. So here, and then put the new one. Then to close, you just go this side, you put this side, and then you push little here. And it's set. You re-put your key, physical key. Job done.